I'm Novi Ariesta Mena. I'm from class accounting B. I will answer this equation. Number 1, you can explain the principle of historical price and kite example in determine the value in obtaining an asset type based on this principle. Historical price. This principle requires the use of acquisition cost in recording assets, debts, capital, and cost. This historical cost principle requires the use of agreed price on asset, interest, debts, capital, and cost. The definition of the agreed price is the price agreed by the second party involved in a transaction. The agreed price must be made in a transaction between two free parties or fair transaction. The price of this transfer can occur on all transactions with external parties, but those that requires asset loans, capital, or other transactions. 2. Please example the difference between the principle of regularizing accrual income and cash basic income. Recognition principle. This principle corners how to determine periods income which can meet the need for timely preparation of financial statements. Cash basic methods of reserving cash when reserved and reserving money and visual cash. Number 3, why must financial statement be presented and reported on time? Financial statement must be present in a timely manner because the need for financial statement is vital for a business activity. The financial statement will be used as a basis for the decision making for the company to determine the next step. Financial statement must have comfortably. Number 4, why should expenses and income be reconciled in the same accounting period? Because of the cost and revenues in preparation earning report, so it must be recorded in the same period. Number 5, what in your opinion, why should financial statement be disclosed in full and completely, so that there is no cheating or to reduce the rise of fraud against the money that is managed? In addition to the existence of complete financial record, we can find out how much is our biggest expense and can control ourselves in spending the money. What is accounting? Why do we need it, and what types of accounting are there? I'm sure you agree with me that these are there important questions we should ask us at the beginning of the course. So let's answer the first one. What is accounting? Is an information science that is used to collect and organize financial data, for organizations and individuals. Don't this definition first of all, we said that is an accounting information science. It is concerned with analyzing, collecting, and organizing information, but that types information accounting organizing financial information is about money, quantitative in nature and measure money. Accounting 101. Accounting overview basic and best practice. Learn about external financial statement, internal managerial accounting report, income tax system, and how they intersect in business decision making. In this course, the accounting regulation, the three primary financial statement, how to use accounting basic to aid decision making, and how income tax figure into business and personal decision. Accounting is conway of business or your mind. Something like accounting is the means of communicating financial information. How I think those are pretty good definition, but I want to suggest a different definition that a little bit broad in scope. So my definition goes like this: accounting is the field of study that bring structure to cost financial. This really simple question confuses a lot of people and understandable. So I mean finance. Finance is a really broad subject area, and so boiling down into kind of a definition is this code. Definition of finance is the sense managing money. No matter what you talking about is finance, it always come back to control it.